In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can add an expert advisor in MT5 or MT4. So once you open your MT5, under the navigator section, you should be seeing expert advisors. To add an expert advisor to your chart, select the one that you want to add, and then here you have two options: allow modification of signal settings or allow algorithm trading. If you allow algorithm trading, it will trade automatically for you. Now on the input settings, so far now I'm just going to keep the default and select OK. To test an advisor, you can right click the advisor and select test. From the drop down, select the pair that you want to test in on. So I'm just going to select USD/JPY. You can select the date from which you want to test, right? So it will be testing from last year on the hourly time frame. So here I'm going to select start. Now when you go on the backtest tab here at the bottom, you will see the result if you had used the MACD and USD/JPY. So your total net profit would have been $13. Gross profit $513 and gross loss $500. So it's good that you backtest the expert advisor to see which pair it works best on. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.